Yeah, we did already. We ate at Merit. Yeah.
Dinner with us. We have a Filipino cultural lunch.
I know. We eat here 2 years ago with the dance Tenekling. Every year I'm here. So yeah.
Precautions when we're buying. So here in the Philippines, we right now we're buying with the rice in the right side. But inside the Innovations, we have also a bike lanes on the left side. So we'll also use them later. And then the most important thing is when we're buying, we must always make a single line or a single file. That's more our safety. I think guys, last reminder, I will be the win. Also, I will be photographer as well.
Photographer as well.
For social media, Facebook, Instagram, or for just remembrance. So actually, before we go, who wants to take a picture right there in the following? You have some family picture of, of course.